elections are not just about numbers. They test who controls, like who controls the institutions, who controls the security, who controls the media, who controls like the media narrative, like who controls the resources, who controls legitimacy. So when elections come, they don't just come to threaten the seats, they come to threaten an entire system of power. And when power is built like a network, opposition becomes a threat to the whole network and not just one leader. Now, in what they call healthy democracies, opposition is normal. Opposition challenges the policies, opposition challenges or debate the ideas, opposition provides alternatives and many other things. But in many election environments, opposition is being treated as rebellion, as a disrespect, insurrection, destabilization, betrayal. And one major reason is this: the ruling party and the state are often too closely linked. So when opposition arises, it is not interpreted as competition, but it's treated as a threat to the state itself and not as a threat or as opposition or competition to the opposition parties. Cameroon is a very strong example of how political tension can become really, really structural.